Start.
1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, I am Datta Benur creation here. Today I am so excited. I got a high-speed racing boat from the gearbest.com. This automatic professional boat, it's not the boat, it's a professional boat. It's not the toy. What is the specialty of this boat? This comes with, water cooling system with the motor and AC. Okay. So what do you think about the speed of this boat? You watch my video and tell me the speed of this boat. This boat worked for $114. If you compare to any other website, it is very high price in other website, but the Gearbest is providing very lowest price, and also this quality wise also is very good. So I am highly recommending you to buy in Gearbest. I really love this boat because I love my country. I put my own flags to this boat. This boat has two colors. One is the yellow and one is the red. You can see here the red was there and the yellow. Okay. So it was the mention all the things here. And this boat length is 690 mm and width was 200 mm. This boat is already built boat. You no need to build anything. This comes with high-speed motors and powerful batteries and ESCs and receiver and transmitter, including all this boat having good performance. I'm highly recommending you to buy this boat because this low cost boat you will not get in anywhere. This having around top speed is 45 to 50 kilometers per hour. This comes with driving hours is around 8 to 10 minutes. That is really good. Okay, so the below description I was mentioned the buy links. You can own your boat. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Okay, let's go for the unboxing. You see the performance of this boat. It's really nice. Thank you.
Perfect.
ಆಟೋ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಇವಾಗ. ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಬ್ರೋ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 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 ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 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 ಹಾಂ.
ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬರ್ ಅಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಟು ಸಿರೀಸು ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು सिंगल करिए तो
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.
1 2 3
ಹಾಂ.